In this video, I will show you how to use the HubSpot effectively. First, log in to your HubSpot dashboard and make sure your account is properly set up with your company details and pipeline structure, so everything works smoothly from the start. Once inside, focus on the main tools like contacts, deals, and marketing, so you can build a complete system for managing customers. Start by adding your contacts and keeping their information updated. Then move them into deals so you can track every opportunity through each stage of your sales pipeline. As you work, use task creation and reminders to follow up on leads at the right time, which helps you avoid missing potential customers. You can also use automation tools to send emails, assign tasks, and update deal stages automatically, saving you a lot of manual work. For better results, use reporting dashboards to monitor your performance and see which deals are progressing or stuck so you can take action quickly. By consistently updating your CRM and using these features together, you turn HubSpot into a complete system for managing and growing your business efficiently. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.